Good morning, everyone. Speaking of stones, the movement of atoms and molecules that under heat and pressure develop into gemstones. Today's gemstone is the ruby for the birthstone for the month of July. Rubies, along with sapphires, belong in the corundum group. The coloring of ruby is caused by chromium. The intensity of the color red depends on the amount of chromium. More chromium makes the color red more intense. The host rock of ruby is mainly dolomite, which has been formed from limestone, where it crystallizes in the ruby in the presence of aluminum oxide. We can only wonder about the history behind the violence of millions of years for a beautiful ruby to appear. Hardness of ruby is 9 on the Mohs scale. The rubies are the second hardest mineral after the diamond. Although the hardness of diamond is 140 times more than that of ruby, crystalline system is hexagonal and chemical composition is aluminum oxide. Inclusions are common, like in emeralds they are not necessarily indication of lower quality, but so the difference between natural and synthetic stone. The deeper stones are usually more valuable than shallow ones, since they bring up the color and brilliance of the stone much better. Common corundum is too cloudy and is only used for grinders and polishers. Cleaning a ruby should be done with mild soap and water, steam or ultrasonic cleaner. Got a couple of samples of rubies here for you. This is a Burmese ruby. It's a 2-carat ruby. It's very nice, very clear, and a very nice color. This is a 7-carat Indian ruby. It's very included, but the color is beautiful on that stone. There are spinels and zircons, tourmalines, and beryls among some other stones that can come in color red and can't be confused with rubies. The color red is the most intense color of emotions like love, anger, passion, and fury. In ancient times, the ruby was believed to protect you and make you invincible in battle. Ruby has been a symbol of good fortune, love, and loyalty. We all need some love and good fortune. Some of the rubies some of the noticed rubies are Liberty Bell ruby that weighs about 4 pounds and is valued $2 million. It's carved to look like a Liberty Bell. Craft ruby about 9 carats and is valued at $8.5 million. Sunrise ruby at 26 carats and valued at $30 million. And Hope ruby about 32 carats and valued at $7 million. Most rubies are found in Myanmar, used to be Burma, Thailand, India, Brazil, and some other places around the earth. Hopefully this short recap gave you some more insights into the life of ruby. If you have any questions or requests for any stones, please contact speakingofstones@gmail.com. That's it for today. Thanks for listening and have a colorful afternoon. Bye-bye.